you.
You all right?
And that will be that. Yes.
She can do tricks. You're going to tear your heels up.
And they're almost there anyway. Are you crying?
I'm not crying.
Yeah.
You do it, girl. You dance.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Oh, you and your Nana. There's Caleb and Tasha.
Wasn't that funny?
That was funny.
Don't let me do it again?
I'd love for you to.
Okay, I'll start from the very, very beginning.
Okay.
That bird will always be there.
That's all right. Last night I got Brandon playing with his no underwear on and his crack showing down here, just dancing in the driveway.
We missed Angel yesterday because we had Brandon and Colin and Carly, and I got the water hose out and they were running in the driveway and I was just squirting them with it. They had a blast. They loved it.
It was fun.
They all went home muddy and dirty.
And tired.
And tired. Remember when you and Carly ran in the water right there? It was fun, huh? Yeah. Carly's sick today. She wanted to come see her angel.
But she got sick?
She's sick. She's running a low temperature and I don't know, with sore throat, I guess. I'm not